be. Okay, the first candidate to have a spot in top 3. Whistle effects. Our first lovely candidate is you should be the next Miss Ariel Pangkalawakan. First round ba ito? Dapat may 2026. Okay. Why? Ala ka sumagot.
Wala yung USA.
Miss Thailand, why should you be the first Miss Aero Pangkalawakan?
First and the last. Hindi ganun natin. Dirty na.
First of all, I want to thank everyone who supports me from the beginning of my journey. Yes, thank you. To be the first Miss Aero Pangkalawakan, you must be hardworking, determined, and God-fearing. Fearing? Mamili kayo doon. And I think I possess that all. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mela Candela. Next is Miss Dini's Philippines. Step forward. Yes. Ang dumi. Yes. Again. Why should Dugo.
Kayo mag
Being the Miss Aero, the first Aero Pangkalawakan, is between honor and responsibility. And I am qualified to begin the first Miss Aero Pangkalawakan because I have the voice to see situations as a silver lining. And to be grateful, I would see the situation where I can provide something.
Hindi bakla yan ha, hindi bakla.
Thank you.
Next, taking Miss Philippines. I'm watching in the camera. Next, last but not least, Miss Vietnam. These therefore answer the question: why should you be the first Miss Aero Pangkalawakan?
Kailong pera na nililipakan. Naruusap mo namin.
Okay, answer the question.
Parang wala naman deserve ito. Pakibalik duwarte.
I believe that being the first is always being a model. And being a model, you show an impregnable determination to do such job under this organization. And I believe that with my responsibility, such an honor to represent Miss Aero Pangkalawakan. And I don't think that that's the
May ribad sa Thailand! May ribad!
Nakapag-isip eh.
Bakit ikaw dapat na maging Miss Aero Pangkalawakan 2026?
Kasi kung i-compare mo sa kanila, lahat sila may karoon. Sinong miss ang may karoon? Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa mga sinabi? Nag-chat-GPT yung Vietnam kanina. Hindi nyo nakita.
Miss Vietnam, ano ang masasabi mo sa mga sinasabi nila? Dahil pinagtutulungan mo nilang dalawa.
There's only one sentence I can say. Fucking get.
Okay. Ang tanong. Oh, sige.
Surprise!
Ah.
USA! Ibalik niyo yung USA! An aircraft is flying at
Butak sila ka baka hindi makakasagot na naman. Okay.
Bakit? Paano na ka nasagot sa funny question?
Honey. Sige. Hindi, ano na lang.
Years later.
Ang iyong pamili pag nakakatawa. Anong gusto niyo itanong sa kanila? Yung isang tanong lang. Ay, may binulong sa akin. Okay. As an hero, how are you going to solve the current issues that the Philippines is facing today? Again, your final question is, as an hero, how are you going to solve the current issues that we are facing today? Let's start with you, Miss Vietnam.
I believe being an aero is such an advantage to be an engineering student, but I also believe that whatever your course is, it doesn't matter as long as you're a Filipino people, your experience under this politics, especially the current events happening, is enough to stand for your voice. Thank you!
Alright, let's ask again. Philippines, step forward. Again,
people who don't have education. In the places where, they have education. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, last but not least, Miss Talent. I'm going to repeat the question. As an arrow, how are you going to solve the issues that we are facing today?
First of all, forgive me for my English because English is not my first language. To solve that problem, I will take actions first for myself. I will abide the law. I will be a good voter and elect officials that has good credentials and that may help our country to grow and prosper to the future. And that's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you for all the candidates. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay. Our second runner-up. Dinamito yung ethics ng bakla. Our second runner-up. Who do you think is our second runner-up? Our second runner-up is from Philippines. Kaya ako nga host eh. Dapat yung major sponsor. Ikaw yung pumunta doon. Dahil ipamuntay mo to, major sponsor ko eh. Yun ang mga nilalagay siya. Wow. Kaguto. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay. Stay on the side. The two lovely candidates, please step forward and hold your hands. Okay, the first candidate that I will be announcing will be is not going to fulfill her duty, the first runner-up will gonna take her place. Good luck to all of you. Ibig sa cameraman. Laguna, are you ready? Our Miss Aero Bangkalawaka is Miss Aero Bangkalawaka is Miss Bianca! And our first runner-up is none other than Miss Thailand. Come on, Anna Cruz. Ay, pamona. Alright, congratulations, Miss Bianca. Please take your first walk as Miss Aero Bangkalawaka. Take your first walk. Di mo yan tayo dyan, kasi yung 500 na ibinigay ko sa first runner-up. Kasi yung 500, ito wala. Ah, wala pa. Kasi yung 150 iba. Thank you. Ang kapit.